Getting started with Nevour Seller Dashboard. First step is setting up your shop. To register, first visit www.nevour.com/supplier. After registering, please check your email for an email confirmation mail. If you have received an email confirmation mail, please click on Confirm Email link. After that, contact Nevour Seller Support to have your store activated. After the activation, simply log into your account and follow these following steps to set up your shop. First, click on Manage Shop, then click on General. Here you can add your shop details. For the identifier, you can simply add your store name. The URL will be auto-generated for you. If you want this changed, kindly contact Nevour Seller Support. Then you can add your postal code, phone number, the country as Sri Lanka, the district, and also the display status. Later you can change the display status as on or off based on whether you are accepting orders or not. For the free shipping on, if the value of the products purchased by the buyer from your store exceeds this value, the delivery cost will be made free. If you don't want this feature, you can simply add 0 here. Now click on the English tab. Here you can input the details that will be visible to your buyers. First is the name of the shop, then the shop city, then the contact person. Then you can add a description or a bio for your shop. Here I have added a sample description. Then you can add the refund or return policy. Then you can add the delivery policy. Here you can mention the number of days it takes for delivery and other information. You can leave payment policy, additional information, seller information blank. Now click on Return Address tab. Here you can input the information that is required in case of a product return. Click on the General tab. Here you can input the information, the country as Sri Lanka, the district, the postal code, your phone number. Click on the English tab. Here you can add the address required for product returns. Now click on the Media tab. Here you can upload the shop logo. Click on Upload Logo to upload the shop logo. Here you can upload the shop banner. Shop banner is similar to a Facebook cover photo. Here you can see there are 3 options: desktop, iPad and mobile. For these 3 options, there are different sizes of the photos you can upload. Kindly select a photo that has closer dimensions to the preferred dimensions so that it will be displayed properly. If you face any difficulties following these steps, feel free to contact Nevour Seller Support. Thank you.